called Jamaican Thief. So we are here some ideas how to do the moves right now. So the concept of the move is a thief move. It's like a cop chasing after a thief. So you have to be running, it's a running move. So you use your feet like this and you use your arm with it. This is the first step of the move, like running. And then the second step is stretch your hand like you're reaching something and you're carrying it and look if the cup is behind you. So it's a running move. You run and turn. So this is the move right now, so we are teaching the 100 of the move now. Play this song.
Money from my brain, money from my brain, dog, money from my brain. Money from my brain, money from my brain, dog, money from my brain.
Yeah, I'm here, dog. I'm born for this, you know. I'm man a hustler till death.
Yo, great rap.
Edmonton, in the street, man, hustle every day. Me have a burn and me have a prepay. Do the max, Asian brain. Little later, be a champagne, tea that. Finch and Jane, a high grade, we a bring pamphlet. She say me cool, me say England rain. Inna me room, she a sing pamphlet.
Do a CT scan, money pa my brain, money pa my brain, dog, money pa my brain. Do a CT scan, money pa my brain, money pa my brain, dog, money pa my brain. Every woman, every man, money pa my brain, money pa my brain, dog, money pa my brain. Yo, Edmonton, money pa my brain, money pa my brain, dog, money pa my brain.
Inna the street, man a hunt and gather. Personality, cloak and dagger. We a sport bank robber. Inna the weed, we a smoke hot grabber and a tongue. Lone top shatter. One heap of thugs, you fi know that, papa. Man a real hot stepper. Ask Jaggy or Bo or Pepper.
Do a CT scan, money pa my brain, money pa my brain, dog, money pa my brain. Do a CT scan, money pa my brain, money pa my brain, dog, money pa my brain. Every woman, every man, money pa my brain, money pa my brain, dog, money pa my brain. Yo, Edmonton.